How to create a Setswana short play in 3 minutes. Creating a short Setswana play in 3 minutes requires a simple storyline with minimal characters and a straightforward plot. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you craft it quickly. Number 1. Choose a theme. Select a simple theme like friendship, family conflict, love, or a lesson in respect. Number 2. Identify characters. 2 to 3 characters will be ideal. Please keep it small. For example, Thabo will be your main character. Lebu will be Thabo's friend. Mathabo will be Thabo's mother, though this is optional. 3. Create a short plot structure, that is a narration. In the beginning, you have to introduce the problem or the scenario. Thabo and Lebu have an argument over a misunderstanding. What should go in the middle? Show tension or conflict. Thabo realizes his mistake and wants to apologize to Lebu. Ending. Resolve the issue. Thabo and Lebu make up and promise to communicate better.